folks, Chris in Arena Studio Land. Welcome to the second episode of the A minor pentatonic tutorials that are going to be thrown at you over the next few weeks. That little lick is a great lick and it's played in the second position, and if it's something that you want to learn, then this is the video for you. Thanks for sticking around. You know how it works by now. Please give the channel a like and a subscribe. It helps and makes my day. Okay, so this pentatonic lick that we're looking at, if you remember basically the last time we started to work with the A natural minor scale, we took the second and the 6 notes away from that 7-note scale, which is the B and the F note, and that leaves us with A, C, D, E, G. And we carry that on across the 6 strings and create that pentatonic scale, which is a minor pentatonic, and the tonic note being A. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start on the second note of that. So this scale today is going to be C, D, E, G, A. It's the same note as the A minor pentatonic. We're just starting on the second note rather than on the first note. So hopefully that's clear. Okay, so really, if I played it in the original position, we've got this. Then I start on the second note, and that's the scale, only we don't play it like that. We play it in a position that gives us a little bit more musical sauce and flavour. So we're going to play the second position shape, which starts like this. On the 6th string we go 8, 10. Then on the 5th string we go 7, 10. Same on the D string, the 4th string, 7, 10. Then on the G string, the 3rd string, we go 7, 9. And then on the B, the 2nd string, it's 8, 10. And the same on the 1st string, on the E string, 8, 10. Put all that together and we get this. Which, if I go to the original shape, it's like that. So the pattern that we're looking at, it incorporates the last 5 notes of this second position of the A minor pentatonic, which is the 9th fret of the 3rd string. Then we play 8, 10, 8, 10. So those are the 5 notes. Like this. And I always end with a little bit of vibrato, or you could actually go back up to the second note and put a little cheeky bend on there. Okay? So it's a great little lick, and like I say, with the first position lick that we've got, you've now got a lick in 2 positions of this minor pentatonic scale. So it's one of those things that, again, if you're going to go slow with it, I start with my 2nd finger on this, slide up to the 9th, pull off there, okay, so 9, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8 with a pull off, and then we just walk back down. So literally up to now we've got then we just go up 2 more notes, back up, same notes, bend, full bend up and release, pull off to the 8th fret, and then back onto your first note of that 9th fret 3rd string, and then a little cheeky bend on that 8th fret of the B string. So I'll try and put all that together for you slowly, and then I'll show you a little bit quicker. It's a great little lick. Get it on your fingers, practice it slowly, build that speed up, make sure you're playing it perfectly. Remember what I always say, only ever practice at the speed that you can play something perfectly. That's the crucial, most bestest worldly wisest bit of information I can give you. Only practice at the speed that you can play it perfectly. That fluctuates. One day you might find you're quicker than another day. The next day you might be slower. That's normal. That's only like an athlete. They don't run a personal best every single day. So that's one of the things that you should take on board, that some days you're going to play better than others, and that's the journey that we're on as guitar players. It's a great lick. It's the second position. Next week I'm going to be showing you the third position, and we've got a lick that's got a nice little warp speed kind of thing on it there, again on this pentatonic scale, so you're going to love that. Like I say, please give me a like and a subscribe and a thumbs up, share the video, do whatever you want to do. If you do want to check out everything that I do, you can go to the Arena Studio website. There's more information there about the recording studio and the clients and all the guitar bits and bobs that I do, the session work, all those kind of things. And also, if anybody would like an online lesson, then just contact me through my socials. I'm on there. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You know how it all works by now, don't you? So for me, Chris, practice this lick, get it under your fingers, because then you'll have 2 great licks within 2 weeks if you've gone nice and steady on the first week, and then you focus on the second week on the second one, and then incorporate both together. So for me, stay safe, stay well, keep on rocking in the free world.